Hello and welcome to the class of Massive MIMO. As MIMO stands for multiple input, multiple output. So this Massive MIMO, which is used in the 5th generation, this is also known as large scale antenna system. Massive MIMO as large scale antenna system. Now here in Massive MIMO, we have to focus on extra antenna. Now why we require extra antenna? Because this extra antenna we have an aim that this will focus on extra antenna focusing its energy. This will focus its energy or focusing energy in small regions of space. That means we have an extra antenna. Antennas will focus energy on a small region of space. Now why we require to focus energy on a small region of space? So that for improvement in data throughput, so that we can have improvement in data throughput. That's why we have to focus its energy in smaller region of space. Now here in this case we have, like in Massive MIMO or large scale antenna system, we have extreme use of inexpensive low power component. Or we have extensive use of inexpensive low power components. Inexpensive low power components. So we are using inexpensive and low power. That means we are saving our cost. This is also a 5G aim that we are going to have cost efficiency also in our network. So inexpensive and low power components, because we have to save the energy, we have to save the power as well as the cost. So we are using here inexpensive low power component, extensive use of low power components. And also because of this we have working on a reduced latency, because antenna has to focus its energy and on which the data rate will go. And also simplification of MAC layer here in this case. So inexpensive low power components, we have simplification of a MAC layer, as well as we are focusing on the reduced latency in Massive MIMO system. Now here in this case we are using antenna arrays with tens of, that means tens of antenna, and this antenna array with tens of antenna, it has to serve many of tens of terminal. It has to serve many of tens of terminals, in same frequency resource. So for example, on a system, if I am using multiple antenna low power components, now this has to serve number of user equipment. We call it as many of tens of terminals in the same frequency resource. So this is same frequency resource. Now, irrespective of giving more power to a single antenna system, we are using large scale antenna system. That means multiple antennas, and it has to serve multiple users and with energy, so that we are not left with any hole, and also throughput will improve. So this is on a massive MIMO concept or a large antenna system. The why we require so that it can focus its energy on a small region of space so that we can improve our data rate. So this is the aim of massive MIMO which is going to use in 5th generation. Thank you so much.